The 2024 elections, trouble seems to be mounting for the Karnataka Congress as the KPCC General Secretary for Mandya, Ravindra, has claimed that the Congress party is unfair and hence he has decided to step down from his position and even from the party. The leader went on to claim that the party is taking unilateral decisions to give Lok Sabha election tickets and not holding any discussions or any consultations with the candidates, including himself. Listen in.
ನಾನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತೆರಳುವಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಸೌಜನ್ಯಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರನ ನಾವು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು? ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಸೂಕ್ತವಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಜನತಾದಳನ ಸೋಲಿಸಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಸರಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಧ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಈಗ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಾಗ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯರಾಗ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಗುಲಾಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಗ ತಗಬ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಉಳಿದವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಥವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಯಾವನೋ 100 ಕೋಟಿ ತತ್ತವ್ರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನ್ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು? ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಕ್ಕೋ ಜನವ ದುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು.
Well, the BJP meanwhile has latched on this charge made by the Karnataka Congress leader, former leader, and has now hit out with the Congress and Rahul Gandhi both. The BJP is now claiming that Rahul Gandhi should stand in shame for undermining democracy, as the allegation that is now being raised is the Congress party is selling Lok Sabha tickets for candidates there. Let me go across to Deepak now. Deepak, this is a big charge being leveled on both sides, even the opposition there in the BJP. But what Mr. Ravindra has to say from Mandya as far as when he stepped down from his position and also gave across his resignation letter?
Well, he himself has gone on to say that this is the second time he's, putting down his resignation. The first time he says wasn't accepted. He says he's been hurt by how things have been unfolding, and he says there's a toxic environment at this point in time. And he further goes on to say that, overall there are issues. He says there are people who think that only the ones who have money are probably eligible to get tickets. He seems to be disgruntled on two fronts. One is during the assembly elections, he claims that he was asked to really step aside to make way for an independent candidate there in Mandya and Melkote, in fact. And now, there's another situation for the Lok Sabha as well. He feels like he's been sidelined, and that's where this issue stems from. But the BJP, of course, has latched on to it and said that this is what is happening within the Congress party.
Well,
it's only money that's
claiming that the Congress is selling Lok Sabha tickets in Karnataka, alleging that the KPCC General Secretary has now resigned. And as far as taking the names of the leaders from the Congress party, saying the BJP leader says that Rahul Gandhi is undermining democracy, Congress party is undermining democracy.